Welcome back, viewers. So I hope you enjoyed the last couple of videos. We're back and we're playing Escape the Construction Obby. Or Escape the Construction Site Obby. Boop, boop, boop. There must be like big giants working here. Like look how big the things are. Okay, these jumps are not very easy. We'll go slowly, steadily. Oh my god. We did it. And we're going up the ladder. Climb. What do we have to... Oh. Who accidentally put the screws on fire? Dingus. Dingalununua. 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 Make your way to the bottom of the parking garage. Okay. Easy enough. Oh, that gives you... Oh! I jumped over it. The heck? No. 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 We've exited the parking garage and now we're close to the crane, it looks like. Oh, big gorilla poo. Let's hop over the pipes. Hope you enjoy. We hope you're enjoying my content and videos, viewers. Let me know down below in the comments if you like solo videos or videos with my friends and family better. I want to know. We got to jump over the lava. Jump one. Oh no. Okay, we just died, but that's okay. Jump. Shh. Now we gotta jump on. It looks like an abandoned old bridge. And we're moving on. Where did we go? Did we jump on this? Yeah, it looks like it. Now we have to jump over the gigantic saws made for gigantic giants. There's some rafts. This big crane hoisting them up. Wait, never mind. They're just hoisting up from the ceiling. Are the clouds doing that? Whoa, no. They're just flying things. Oh my lord, that's so cool. I love how my body parts are just booped. I mean, Charles. That jump is physically impossible. You can't make that jump. Wait, did I go the wrong way? Oh, I came from that way. I'm stupid, aren't I? All right, now let's jump. What in the world? Oh, viewers, this one with the hammering knives. My grandpa's fixing my, what's it called? Like wine fridge or something. Yeah, it's either wine or drinks fridge. It's like a mini wine fridge. Comment down below if you want me to do a house tour. Also comment down below if you want me to do a face review. Actually, don't comment down below what's your favorite Naruto episode. Or comment down below what's your favorite Naruto ending or opening or character. Comment down below anything you want. Now we're going to jump over a measuring tape. Boop, boop, boopity boop. Boop, 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 boop. Boop, boop, boopity boop. Boop, 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 boop. Boop, boop, boopity boop. Boop, 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 boop. Oh, jump on the metal. I just saw someone get poo-pooed on. No, I just felt like, one, and then two, then boom, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ooh. Boom, 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 oh, boom, 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 how was I supposed to know that was happening? Okay, that was gonna happen. I thought we were just walking. Like, remember the Escape the Zombie Hospital Obby video? Yeah, so, there was a stage there where you could just walk on the water. I thought it was like that. Because, Escape the Zombie Hospital Obby, this is the exact same game, but they changed it. And the only thing they didn't change was the title screen. It still shows Zombie Hospital. These are really big pieces of metal. Like I said, they might be for giants. And we're going. Quick, speed away. Speed on your way to safety. No! No. Oh, wait. Okay, is my microphone on? Oh, it looks like we finished. Yeah. Well, viewers, it looks like it'll be the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed Escape the Construction Site Obby. See you next time.